Hi, Terry Kirkham from globalauctioneers.com. Under instructions from Miss Tracy Knight of WCT Advisory as appointed administrator to Eco Cottages Proprietary Limited, administrator appointed. We have been engaged to sell by public auction online at globalauctioneers.com the woodworking plant and machinery situated here in Karoi on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. Eco Homes was a manufacturing business that built high quality timber cottages. Situated in the business is modern woodworking plant and machinery. There's also some steel fabrication equipment and some other various bits and pieces of plant and equipment around the business that will suit all sorts of buyers that are in the woodworking industrial space here in Australia. We have a 2018 Multinail Mini 3 truss and 4 assembly machine. We have a Felder model FW1102C wide belt sander. We have a Felder F700 spindle moulding machine with a power feed unit. We have a Lazzari Juno 3200 sliding table panel saw. We have assorted high quality woodworking equipment and also various workshop plant and equipment throughout the business. We have an industrial extraction system with fluing that goes throughout the building, an Ingersoll Rand industrial air compressor plant and accessories. We have a QCM twin head planing machine. We have a fabricated steel frame pneumatic timber press machine. In the sale we have a small steel fabrication section. We have a Sunrise hydraulic iron worker. We have a Shorebend power hacksaw with roller feed and off feed tables. We have a WeldMax Black Thunder Series MIG welding machine. We have assorted steel frame mobile workbenches, storage racks, and associated storage equipment throughout the premises in this online auction. Featuring the auction sale, we'll also have an Enforcer forklift, an electric walkie stacker, and also a snorkel scissor lift. The online auction sale is now live online at globalauctioneers.com. The online auction sale will start at the start of November and be completed by mid-November. This is an auction sale on the Sunshine Coast not to be missed if you're chasing modern woodworking plant and machinery. Go to globalauctioneers.com to view our next online auction sale.